Just have a go at this HJ60, 11th month, 1989. Now, just look at it, it's absolutely immaculate. Now, apart from a couple of little mods, it's as it came out of the factory. Look, we got some muddies here, some 33s on sun razors. All of them have got a little bit of lift now when you put a new leafs on it, new shockeys and that, so they've all got a 2-inch lift there. But apart from that, we've got a wind deflector and the Safari snorkel. Some tinted windows, but that's about it. It's as it came out the factory. Love this front bar, factory look. Still got the original paint on there. The plastic ends haven't even hardly had any damage to them. It's great. Factory flares. Now they're awesome. There's missing a few of the little rubber bits here and there, but that's, you know, that's nothing really. We got the chrome mirrors. I love these things. I've got them on mine. Mine aren't chrome anymore, but these are really good condition. Now, one thing that really stands out on this 60 series are the gutters. They are absolutely immaculate, all the way round, all the way across the top. You just don't see them like this anymore. They're always rusting up here, and you know, you're into big bucks fixing it, but this customer has really done his homework. He's been looking for a long time for this 60. He finally found it. So coming around to the back, we've got the lovely sliding windows going on, and the rear bumper, factory, love it. But this is just, I can't get enough of it, how standard it is. Let's go and have a look inside and see what's going on in there. Oh, the first thing I noticed straight away is the seats. Now they look really good, look like buckets, but these are like they're made out of concrete. There's no giving them whatsoever. Even the customer hates them, and he said he's going to be getting rid of them as soon as he can. But other than that, this is absolutely immaculate in here. The dash has not been destroyed in any way. You've got the original double din stereo going on there. Down here, nothing. There's just one extra switch I can see going on here. Factory ashtray, everything like that. The center console, beautiful. All the bits are still there. The cup holders, the coin holders. Now, you don't see door cards like this very often. All the electronics work in the side here. All the windows are controlled from this central point. Usually they're all broken and never work. The only thing really is the little the armrest here needs a bit of seeing to. We haven't got one in grey, which is unfortunate, but there you go. Now, I haven't seen a roof lining like this ever, I don't think, in a 60 series. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got the true fit all the way throughout this, right through into the back of in the tailgate in there. The seats in the rear are in really good condition. Same again with the door cards in the back. But just a really lovely example of a 60 series. I really think the customer found a really nice one here. So why is it in here, Mr. Landcruiser? So other than a few little jobs like sorting out the bonnet latch, rocker cover gasket, things like that, the 5-speed gearbox was in a really bad way. Crunching in second every time you tried to shift up or down. There was a noisy transfer case. Something was going on there because it seemed to be, fifth just felt strange. So pulled the gearbox out of it. Now, immediately, this is a 1989, so should be a vacuum operated transfer case. Got under there, got it on the hoist, got all the under tray off, found out that it's got a manual transfer 5-speed in there, which is, you know, some people do it because they don't want to have to deal with the vacuum system going down, the solenoid's not working. So that's what's happened with this, so it was a bit of a surprise. But once we got the gearbox open, we found all sorts of things going on. There was bearings around the main front bearing was mixed up with the rear one, and also there were shims in where there shouldn't have been shims. But anyway, the main thing really for the crunching of the gears was the first and second gear synchro hub. Now, the teeth on the synchro hub here are pretty much flat. They don't feel sharp at all. When they go to mesh, you can feel it when you go to mesh the gears in. There's hardly any restriction on there at all. So we've changed that out, as well as a brand new terrain tamer kit right through it, and that's gone back in it now. And I've driven out the road today, and it's probably one of the best gearboxes I've ever driven with in a 60 series. It's absolutely beautiful, faultless gear change. Mick's done a really good job on it. So what are the plans for this vehicle now? I've been speaking to the customer. From here it leaves straight to go to Bud's to have some rock sliders on it, and then it goes to ARB to have, it's a bit of a shame, I like the front factory bars, but he's having the front bull bar and the rear tyre carrier and fuel carrier going on this as well. And then it's going for paint. In 4 days' time, it's booked in for paint, and there's a bit of a family argument going on about which colour. The kids want sandy taupe, and Mario wants to stay with the factory white colour. So I'm sure they'll sort it out in the next 4 days. But do you know what? I can't wait to see this again soon. We're going to put some gauges in it soon for his big tour. They're going away this summer on a big family trip. So, but we're going to get this car back in when it's had all its stuff done, do another walk around, because it's going to be a bit of a transformation, I reckon. But just enjoy it for now, eh?